Well, what I've got here will revolutionise the way you listen to the content on your devices. So this is from DuoLink. They are earbuds. They will cost £125. They come with noise cancelling. You've each got to set yourself, so let's unbox together.
125 quid is not a lot to revolutionise music.
It really isn't. You can listen to your music in 3 different forms. There's your charger case, all right? And your charger case will give you 6 hours of music playback from a 2-hour charge, all right? Open it up. There are your buds. Now, you should have music already preloaded onto your smart devices, so slip these into your ears and listen away. They fit quite nicely in the ear, actually, don't they?
Very secure.
What are you listening to, Craig?
Funky, soul-y music, man. And, yeah, that sounds good. I mean, OK.
Yep. John, who have you got on yours?
I've got Ennio Morricone in mine. I think it sounds OK rather than brilliant. Also a bit fiddly to get out the case.
So, Georgie, what are you listening to?
A little bit of Janet Jackson.
Nice.
They are good. The noise cancelling, I have to say, is really impressive for £125.
Yeah, I'm struck by how secure they are, actually. The sound might be a bit tinny for me, but these do deliver music in a different form. So if I take these out and just click your buds in to your charger case, put them together like that, your charger case now becomes a speaker.
Ooh.
That's party mode, OK? Now, what I really wanted to show you was mode number 3. If you pull them apart and place them either side of your device, you've got...
No, not stereo.
Yes, and very good stereo speakers at that, if I may say so. Regardez.
So you good guys or bad guys?
Depends on the century.
So we really never die.
Brilliant sound, that.
Nice
Let's
wide
face
sound.
it, iPad speakers are terrible.
Yeah, agreed. And, you know, this is a really good application because often I'm watching stuff when I'm travelling off an iPad, and this is basically a travel case, but also a stereo speaker. That's cool.
Would you like me to take one for you? Oh, thank
This is
you.
125 quid well spent, I'd say.
Absolutely, and I think most people will probably use them more in this mode than either of the other two.
Yeah, agreed.
OK, well, that's that feature.